Create picture of the magnetic footprint of red TLE, also called sprite lightning, and the magnetic footprint of a redshifted galaxy in outer space from telescope pictures, and merge he pictures together so that we can see if both of these phenomena match magnetic footprints. Which sound wave is in the scientifically accurate enough to travel within the substrate of a redshifted galaxy? For example, redshifted galaxies are, if I remember, in the infrared spectrum. Which radio station is that, or TV channel or sound wave frequency? When I was talking about the redshifted galaxy, I said that the substrate of the universe was uniformed in such a way that when we viewed the galaxy that it was redshifted. When I look into infrared goggles, we're using that temperature signature to identify objects when we're looking at them in the thermal imaging of it in the infrared spectrum. But we also know that there is a sound in that image behind it, so it's not just an image that we're looking at of a galaxy, or also looking at a sound, and I tried to tap into the frequency. Or look for patterns so that I could listen to the sound of it, or identify a pattern that it matches that would let me know what was actually there or what had happened to make it the red-shifted color it was. Could you possibly somehow scientifically accurately use that sonification to identify exactly what sound frequency that is, or if it's emitting something other than just its image of a red-shifted galaxy? Okay, so make a list of all the sounds that it would be associated with. So when we look at an image of a red-shifted galaxy, when we also look in the image of infrared goggles, we should be able to see those same sounds associated with each object. So if it's really hot, we already know what the sound of hot is. We can associate that with the sound of the sun. We can also identify the darkness, the dark spots, to colder spots as cold, which is completely silent nothing. It's actually moving, mimic, and associate with wind. I would like to see a picture of that, and also you can actually draw pictures for sound. You can actually put the actual images for the sounds in the form of characters on the screen or in the picture, and it will actually show me what notes to play on a piano. Okay, and if you can try to see if you can associate any of the magnetic lines with sound also.